What's up guys, Jordan here from Martial Mania. Today I'm going to teach you how to hold a solid handstand. Let's get straight into it. You can do this tutorial wherever you are. All you're going to need is a wall. The handstand is a great skill to learn if you want to have total body control, balance, and learn harder moves in the future like handstand push-up. Handstand press, and many more. The main parts of mastering your handstand hold are strength, understanding body positioning upside down, and obviously balance. Let's start off by building the sufficient shoulder strength in order to support your body weight upside down. The move that I'm going to show you is called a park hold. Let me demonstrate how this is done. The first exercise that I showed you was to help build shoulder endurance. Now I'm going to give you a great exercise to build solid shoulder strength. We're going to do park push-ups. Once you have mastered the park push-up and the park hold, you can find yourself a chair, a box, or anything that you have in your house. When you're doing the elevated park hold, this will stimulate the inverted position of holding a handstand much better than when you're doing the park hold on the ground. Doing elevated park push-ups will use more of your body weight as resistance, and therefore it will be harder, but it will help build extra strength and muscle in your triceps, shoulders, serratus anterior, traps, rhomboids, and triceps. Now we are going to strengthen our wrist extension. So grab a weight. So now you're going to go from wrist flexion all the way to wrist extension. So now we're going to go for moderately to high reps of these with a lighter weight. Remember to keep full range of motion through the entire movement. Now we're going to work on wrist mobility and flexibility. So we're going to do park lean holds, which are going to look like this. You're going to go into a push-up position. Now all we're going to do is lean forwards onto your wrists and back. Let's go for a few of these. If you have limited shoulder flexion, get an elevated surface, put your hands straight. We're going to do a lat stretch. You're going to go down, and we'll do this for about 20 seconds. Now what I want you to do is put your elbows on the surface and do the exact same thing. Now we are going to work on overhead mobility. So lie on your stomach, both your hands right in front of you, thumbs up, put your head down and lift. Gonna go for 5 reps. You should really feel your traps burning. Now we are going to do a hollow body hold, which is going to build core strength as well as preventing the banana handstand. So what you're going to do, put your legs up, hands back, and hold for about 30 seconds. Now you are ready to start learning the handstand. Go and find a wall in your house. What I want you to do, put your hands on the ground going into a runner's position, and you're going to lead in with your hips. So just like that. And hold the handstand position at the top. In a handstand, it's a constant battle to keep your balance. Let me show you how this is done. Go into a park hold, and what you're going to do is lean forward. And when you're leaning too forward, you're going to flex your hands, which is going to bring you backwards. But when you're falling too backwards, you're going to release the pressure from your hands. Then go forward again and flex, release the pressure. Do this a few times. Once you have mastered the movement before, you can now work against the wall in a proper handstand position. So again, go into the runner's position and kick up. And from here, what I want you to do is flex and release. You should notice when you flex, you're off the wall, and when you release, you go again towards the wall. Now we're going to do wall walks. This will build good shoulder strength as well as get you comfortable in the handstand position. This is how it's done. I would recommend being able to do a cartwheel because it will help you understand how to dismount as well as the feeling of being upside down. Now I'm going to show you a few ways to dismount your handstand when you're practicing. like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can see my next video, as well as comment down below what you thought of my handstand tutorial.